Feel uninvited.
Here I come.
Auxilium is an independent coin and platform, including smart contracts, dApps, and tokenization. Proof of authority system is most environmental friendly and offers great security, faster transactions, more cost efficiency, and simpler paths to scalability than traditional proof of work and proof of stake cryptocurrencies. There are multiple key features of the Auxilium which I am going to tell you in this video, and also I will tell you about the IEO which will start very soon of Auxilium coin. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update regarding crypto. First of all, what type of facilities and utilities at this time Auxilium is offering to their consumers? Auxilium offers its holders truly fair monthly rewards which don't require mining or staking, adding up to 8% interest per annum. This is made possible with the use of their unique and innovative Auxilium Interest Distribution AID platform. AUX is building a strong ecosystem on the Auxilium blockchain and network by building for profit businesses, building not for profit businesses, and provide funding. Now, why you should hold or why you should buy the Auxilium? Auxilium Proof of Authority blockchain and network has many advantages over traditional networks. You can say the coins and tokens that mostly use the more limited proof of work and proof of stake consensus. AUX is one of very few cryptocurrencies who focus on both technological evolution as socio-economical involvement and usability. Best things of AUX, or you can say Auxilium, are it's secure, scalable, fast, low costs, and the platform is giving rewards to their consumers at this time. AUX is sustainable, globally accessible, limited supply, and independent platform. Here you can see the entire platform of the Auxilium, and here comes the wallets. If you want to know about the wallets, simply you can come on the main platform of the Auxilium, and here you can find the option of the wallets, and simply you can download the wallet in Windows, MacOS, and also on the Linux. Now the best thing about the Auxilium, basically it's secure. As I told you, Auxilium's unique blockchain validation system makes it highly unlikely to fall victim to 51% attacks. The Auxilium network provides the users with protection against most common types of fraud. Secondly, it's scalable. Their technology revolutionizes the way blockchains are formed. As we grow, so will our computer network. Okay, this means it's feel likely Auxilium will have scalability issues. Now fast, Auxilium Proof of Authority does not rely on the speed of a third-party network or uses to maintain the network. Auxilium's network is faster than many as transactions are near to instant. So these are the current features of the Auxilium. And now the best part, as we all know about the Ethereum gas station and also about the main issues, the congestions on the Ethereum gas station nowadays. So at this time, Auxilium, the transaction is much cheaper than any other coin, so it's the best feature as per my spec. Now the last one, Auxilium rewards. Auxilium coin holders receive 8% interest every year via the AID platform. To be precise, it's 6.72%. The extra 1.28% is split between the charity and research and development evenly. This without increasing the maximum supply, which remains capped at 300 million AUX at this time. Now these are all the key features of the Auxilium. Right now this token, this coin is available on the CoinMarketCap and also on the CoinGecko, where you can check each and every data of this coin Auxilium. And secondly, here you can see the main thing that right now this coin is available on the Markatox exchange in BTC and in Ethereum pair, so you can easily purchase this token directly from the Markatox exchange. Now the best part about the about the IEO, which will basically start very soon on 1st of September 2020. The IEO will start, AUX IEO on XT. Basically, they signed the agreement with the team of XT Exchange, and now they are planning to start their own IEO. Here you can say IEO start date 1st September 2020 and it will end on 5th of September. Now the best thing about the IEO will not affect your AUX holding. If you are holding the AUX coin at this time, it will not affect the price at all. Here you can see basically we'll sell 10 million AUX coins from the R&D fund for a fixed price during this IEO. This will not affect the amount of AUX you are holding, be a higher price than the current price on the Mercatox at the time of writing, be a fair price based on Mercatox price on the 29th of August. Basically they will choose the price on 29th of August 2020 and then they will start their IEO on xt.com. So it is entirely very easy. I will share the link of the xt.com and also I will share the link of this Medium post so you can understand each and everything about the IEO. And also I will share the link of the main platform of the Auxilium so you can understand this project entirely plausible. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. And in the last but not the least, my own recommendations and my own price prediction about the AUX coin. As we all know nowadays, basically most of the coins have only one issue, that is you can say the congestion issue, and at this time this coin the AUX is solving that very issue and also the fee of the transaction. So definitely the price will go up to minimum you can say 0.75 or 0.80 in maximum next 2 months. So go for it and buy this coin right now. Thanks a lot.